Hello there. My name is McHorse, and as you already guessed from the title of the video, I'm going to reveal a really huge thing. Before I answer the question, how to get Aphmau's mod, I need to create some tension. Drum roll please. You simply don't. To elaborate on that, Aphmau most likely won't release a mod ever, but don't get upset, I have something so much better. Meet the Blockbuster mod. Yes, it doesn't have Aphmau in the name, but it's way better, at least I'd like to imagine. But since we don't know for sure, let's just assume that. Blockbuster mod provides so many different features for creating roleplays and machinimas that I doubt even Aphmau's mod has. You can record your own actors, import custom models, particles, animate, and so much more. However, before you go further, I must warn you. Blockbuster mod is not an easy to use mod, but if you'll master it, you will have an idea of how to create Minecraft roleplays like Aphmau herself. If you're interested, click on the left end screen card to start learning the mod, and on the right, you can watch a better teaser of mod's capabilities. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.